What's up, guys? This is Matt Tolbers with Performance Diecast. Today we're going to unbox this Porsche 918 Spyder by Bburago. It's a 1/24 scale. So let's unbox this quick. Alright guys, here it is. The Porsche 918 Spyder by Bburago. It's a 1/24 scale. There's the exhaust. It says Porsche 918 Spyder. The wing doesn't come up. The wheels roll really well. Very nice. Headlights aren't bad. The paint looks nice on it. Has a little Porsche symbol on it. The doors open. The hood and trunk do not open on it. The doors feel very nice when they open. A kid would love this thing, that's for sure. This car's a beast in real life. It's like 887 horsepower. It's like a 4.6 liter V8 with like, I can't remember, 600 or something. And then has like two electric engines, which put it up like another 270 horsepower. So the thing's a beast. But yeah, there it is, guys. I'll show you the bottom here quick. Porsche 918 Spyder Bburago right there. Nice wheels on it. They feel rubbery. A little bit of suspension, nothing crazy. But alright guys, if you enjoyed this, give it a like and subscribe. I got so many cars that are literally coming. So alright, peace.